morning. Park the van. First destination is breakfast. Alright, had some huevos rancheros. They were good eating. If you haven't guessed it yet, I'm in old downtown Temecula. Temecula is known for many things, but one of them, let's go do it. Let's go. Washboards. I hate washboards. That is the place out there, and it's gonna have the most amazing view. Just you wait and see. So I just had a bit of wine, not too much. It's a little different than what I remember. I'm definitely gonna be back here and buy some more wine at some point on my travels. It's really hot, so and I'm sure in the van right now it's probably like 200 degrees or something. Not looking forward to that. Got myself the day adventure pass for $5, which is great. And I'm going to spend a bit of my day at the lake. I don't fish, but it's still a really cool spot to just chill and relax. And I also have to fill up on water, and these guys have spigots, and also throw away some of my trash. So many things to be done for $5. Oh, heck yeah. This was a $5 well worth it. If I were to have the National Parks Pass, the one that's yearly $80 or something like that, that would have covered it. I haven't gotten it yet because I'm not sure if I'm going to go to national parks this year. I have other things in mind, and that's coming up. However, let me tell you about this place. $5, come on, you get lake. You can fish here if you are a fisherman or you fish, whatever, all that stuff. I don't fish because I don't eat fish. You have toilets, you have a fire pit where you can actually make food. It has a grill and all that stuff. The spigot where I filled up the water. I'm not sure if it's potable or not, but either way I can take a shower later on. It has somewhere I can throw away my trash, and it also has the tables. I ended up switching to one of the tables that had shade because it is pretty hot, but right now I don't care because my feet are in the water. I can just sit here and drink my coffee. Day at the lake over. For right now, I need to go find the camp spot. There is a campground right next to it, but it's like $50 and I don't think I want to pay that. Around here, there's dispersed camping, which is usually what I do. But being that it's summer, a lot of people are camping. For some reason, it's really hot. I need to go look for a camp spot and also start making some lunch because it's getting later in the day. This is another paid campground. Again, not something that I want to go stay at. This would be a spot right here, so that's lucky. This is the official spot here, which I think somebody has taken already. But I think we can go a little further and see if there's more spots. And hopefully we can turn around. This is gonna be super tight over here, but it has to be done. This is another camp spot here at the end, which is pretty great actually. But it's kind of close to the street, which is not something that I'm fond of. I was able to turn around, which is nice. You guys can see how tight this is. I'm gonna have to scratch the van a bit, but that's okay because that's why I have an old van. Actually, it's not scratching. Am I that good? Look at that. Oh, baby. Camping in the summer, I have like a swarm of flies on me the whole time. And there's a fire ban, so I can't make a fire. That would make them go away. I bought this thing from Walmart that is supposed to attract flies or mosquitoes for the most part. It doesn't work. And I put some fly mosquito repellent on me. It doesn't work. There's like constantly things buzzing in my ear. So if you see me swinging or punching the air, you know why. They're kind of annoying. So yes, I did get a external briefcase of portable solar, mainly because I wanted to see if I can park the van in the shade and then extend the solar so I can still get solar. That's not the case today, but I wanted to see how it reacts with both of them being plugged in. So I have 300 watts of solar on the roof, and then the briefcase is flies, man, summer. And then the briefcase is 200. I think the charge controller is trying to distribute between both of them the power, so I'm not getting as much as I thought I would. I'm only getting 300 watts of solar, which is 200 watts less. Solar is obviously not 100%, but between 500 watts I thought I would get more. Welcome to the cucina of the picante. That's so silly. Anyway, on today's menu, I got some hot dogs going on. They're obviously vegan hot dogs, but I'm gonna make street style hot dogs because it's tradition around here. Let's get cooking. I also got some brioche buns because, you know, we're fancy over here. Just because we're camping, it doesn't mean that we can't be fancy, okay? And I'm just realizing that this has nothing to do with a street style hot dog, but hey, I like the brioche buns. Some fancy mustard. Okay, this is getting a little too fancy, but that's what I got. Those hot dogs were exactly what I needed. Time to wash it off with some IPA.